Are you having trouble with streaks on windows? Well, hopefully this video can help you out. Hey, my name is Colton with S&S Auto Supply, making my debut on the YouTube channel here to bring you a new segment that we're going to call Tech Tip Friday. That's going to be every Friday-ish. We're going to drop a new tech tip for detailers, professional detailers, hobbyists, on things you can do, when you're detailing cars to save you time, which effectively saves you money, be more efficient, and all the above. We hope by the end of these segments you can take something away, something new, or something you can use in your detail shop. So, without further ado, let's get into this window. Give me 1 second to grab the glass cleaner. I'll be right back. So, I've grabbed the glass cleaner. I use S&S Orange Reflection. This is a non-ammonia glass cleaner, safe for tint, safe for all windows. You can spray it in the blazing hot heat. It's just a great glass cleaner with that thixotropic formula, which means it looks kind of like a gel consistency, but once the water or the gel is irritated, it turns completely into liquid, and you dry it with a diamond or waffle weave towel, you're going to probably leave no streaks on that window. So we're going to open the door, both sides of the window for this tech tip. On the outside of the window, spray it down with some Orange Reflection. All I'm going to do is wipe top to bottom. Simple enough, up and down, get around the window here, and we're done. Then I go to the inside of the window. I'm just going to spray it down with Orange Reflection again, and I'm going to wipe right to left. So, simple enough, right to left on the inside, up and down on the outside. And now, if you leave a streak on the window or you missed a spot or whatever, you know by the direction of that streak which side of the window that you perform that on. Which means you can find the streak faster and you can get done faster. All said and done, easy tech tip number 1, use your glass cleaner, use your towel, up and down on the outside, left and right on the inside. Any streak you see, anything you miss, you instantly know where it is by just looking at the window. If you liked what you saw here today for tech tip number 1, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, S&S Auto Supply, right here, and we'll keep bringing you more videos like this, different tech tips, things like that. And as always, if you want to see what we use in the video, get your hands on some Orange Reflection. Like I said, it's versatile, it's easy to use. Visit snsautosupply.com. Let's keep detailing.